ॐ मर्धनारीश्वरम्
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Angikam Bhuvanam Yasya Vachikam Sarvavagmayam Aharyam Chandrataradatam Vande Satvikam Shivam. I am Dr. Swati P. Bharadwaj. Took a new initiative as making a videos in the title Theory of Bharatnatyam to spread the knowledge of Bharatnatyam's theory as per my learned knowledge and some book references. In last episode, we have learned about Dharmi and Vritti. So in today's session, we are going to know about Rasa and Bhava. Rasa or sentiment or aesthetic pleasure is produced when the expression, that means bhava, is determined by the mind, which is guided by the glance, which follows the hand movements. In other words, rasa denotes the emotional content, the aesthetic experience for a reader or a spectator. Rasa is relish of the emotional experience presented through the art data. Rasa is produced by the intermingling of three, Vibhava, Anubhava and Vyabhichari Bhava. The Vibhava, Anubhava and Vyabhichari Bhava together with the permanent feelings in the mind, that means Sthai Bhava, turn into aesthetic pleasure, that means Rasa. So now I am going to show you the PPT presentation which helps you to know about more about Rasa and Vibhava, Anubhava also. So yeah, now I'm sharing the PPT presentation so that you can get to know very easily. So yeah, it's a Vibhava. The cause by which the feeling is evolved is called Vibhava. It is manifested through the movement of the body, words and facial gestures. It is of two types, Alambhana Vibhava and Uddipana Vibhava. Alambhana Vibhava, that which directly supports the rasa, that means sentiment. Uddipana Vibhava, all other factors like beauty, form, youth, gestures, adornment, surroundings which excite the rasa, that is also includes in the Uddipana Vibhava. So what is Anubhava? Anubhava or indication of a feeling showing physical actions to register the emotion portrayed. In other words, the feeling experienced by the use of gestures, words, actions, etc. For example, anger is understood through the knitting of the eyebrows, which is an Anubhava. Now we are going for the Navarasas. First, it comes to the Shrungara. As we all know, Navarasa means 9 rasas. Shrungara, its origin born from pleasure of love. Sthai Bhava for Shrungara is Rati, that means love. Deity is Vishnu. Color is Shama, that means green. And contradictory rasa for Shrungara is Bibhatsa. And Vibhava of the Shrungara is pleasant seasons and painting of the limbs of the body, ornaments, sports, romance, etc. Anubhava for the Shrungara is use of glances and eyebrows, romantic music and dance, jealousy, anxiety, and forgetfulness. And Vyabhichari Bhava for Shrungara is accept indolence, sternness of and aversion. All the other Vyabhichari Bhavas also related to Shrungara. Satvika Bhava, when it comes to Shrungara, all 8 Satvika Bhavas are used for Shrungara, as Shrungara is also known as the king of rasas. Shrungara varieties are Vipralambha and Sambhoga. Vipralambha means union of lovers. Sambhoga means separation of lovers. So Swaras, which comes under Shrungara, is Madhyama and Panchama, and Hasta will be Alapadma. So now we are moving to the Hasya. Origin of Hasya is humor and comedy. Sthai Bhava is Hasa, laugher. Deity is Pramathas, that means attendees of Shiva. Color will be Shweta, that means white. Contradictory rasa for Hasya is Karuna. Vibhava will be unusual dress, wrongly placed ornaments, quarrel, displaying deformed limbs, etc. Anubhava for Hasya will be throbbing of lips, nose and cheeks, color of the face, etc. So for Hasya, Vyabhichari Bhavas will be laughter, apprehension and envy, weariness, indolence, inconstancy, sleep, dreaming, awakening are used. And varieties of Hasya will be Atmasta, that means laughter by oneself. Parastha, that means making others to laugh. Smita, smiling. Hasita, gentle laugh. Vihasita, that means laughing. Upahasita means outburst of laughter. Apahasita is a silly laugher. So Hasya's swaras will be Madhyama and Panchama. Hasta will be Sandamsha. And now we are going to the Karuna Rasa. Origin will be state of grief. Sthai Bhava Shoka, that means sorrow. Deity Yama. Color Kapota, that means a pigeon ash. And contradictory Rasa for Hasya is a Hasya. Sorry, Karunas will be the Hasya. The Vibhava will be separation from beloved one, loss of wealth, curse, affliction, and murder, sadness, etc. Anubhava, pale face, lamentation, tears, loss of memory, breathing deeply, etc. So Vyabhichari Bhava for the Karuna Rasa is sorrow, fear, discouragement, debility, weariness, indolence, depression, distraction, and other else I mentioned in the PPT. You can go through that. And Satvika Bhava will be change of voice, trembling, change of color, tears, etc. And varieties will be Dharmopagata, that means from punishment by law, and Arthapacheya, that means loss of wealth, and Shoka, that means from grief. The swaras included in the Karuna Rasa will be Gandhara and Nishadha, that means Ga and Ni, and Hasta will be Pataka. Now it's going to be Raudra, origin, state of anger, Sthai Bhava, Krodha, that means anger, deity Rudra, color Rakta, that means red, contradictory Rasa will be Adbhuta for Raudra. Vibhava, fighting, anger, false speech, revenge, jealousy, etc. Raudra's Anubhava will be beating, breaking, cutting, fighting, raising the hands, etc. And Vyabhichari Bhava will be anger, intoxication, enthusiasm, distraction, inconstancy, agitation, arrogance, etc. Raudra's Satvika Bhava will be perspiration, horripilation, change of voice, trembling. And varieties will be Vak, that means by words, Nepatya by makeup, Anga by limbs. So Swaras will be Shadja and Rishabha, and Hasta will be Kartri Mukha. Now we are going to the Veera Rasa, origin, state of energy, Sthai Bhava, Utsaha, that means enthusiasm. Deity will be Indra, color will be Gaura, wheatish brown. Contradictory Rasa for Veera will be Bhayanaka. Vibhava, I just mentioned here, power, courage, strength, etc. You can go with that. And Anubhava will be like bravery, heroism, sacrifice, etc. Veera's Vyabhichari Bhava will be anger, intoxication, and contentment, joy, agitation, awakening, and etc. Veera's Satvika Bhava will be horripilation, change of voice, and varieties will be Dhana Veera, that means by giving gifts, Daya Veera, that means by charity, and Yuddha Veera will be by fighting. And Veera's Swaras will be Shadja and Rishabha, and Hasta will be Chandralekha, or it's also called as Chandrakala. And Bhayanaka, Vibhava, altered voice, seeing ghosts entering the forest, etc. Anubhava, shaking of hands, feet, eyes, etc. And Vyabhichari Bhava will be, I just mentioned here, death, depression, etc. And Satvika Bhava will be perspiration, horripilation, change of voice, and etc. So Bhayanaka's varieties will be Vyajana, that means from deceit, Aparadha, from wrong action, Transita, that means from terror. Swara will be Daivata, and Hasta will be Hamsastra. So Bivatsa, I just mentioned here, you can go with that. Origins, Sthai Bhava, deity, color, and contradictory Rasa. You can take a screenshot of this, or you can save this for later. Vyabhichari Bhava I mentioned here. And Bibatsa Rasas, Vibhava and Anubhava also I mentioned. Satvika Bhava, and varieties Kshobana, trembling, Shuddha, pure, Udvega, that means disturbing. And Swara will be Daivata for Bibatsa, and Hasta will be Kartri Mukha. And Adbhuta's origins, Sthai Bhava, deity, color, contradictory Rasa I mentioned. And Vibhava, Anubhava also I mentioned here. You can pause it and you can see this. Vyabhichari Bhava, Satvika Bhava I mentioned. And varieties will be Divya and Ananda. Divya will be celestial, Ananda will be joyful for Adbhuta. Swara, Rishabha, and Hasta will be Suchi. Shantarasa also I mentioned here, the origins, Sthai Bhava, deity and color. And Vibhava and Anubhava, and Vyabhichari Bhava, Satvika Bhava, and Hasta. Hasta will be Hamsa Paksha. So yes, now I'm going to tell you about all other things which is going to be happen now. I will tell you about the rasas, davarasas. Now we are going for the bhava. Bhava is the expression of the inner feelings by the use of gestures, oral expression, and emotions. The word bhava comes from the root bhu. Bhava is denote a becoming. Bhava is an emotion present in each and every man by nature itself. Bhava is raised from one's own mind. From Abhinaya, Bhava is being exposed, and from Bhava, Rasa is being exposed. Bhava or emotional experience is supposed by Bharata to be the stuff of dramatic and literary art. Bhava has been classified as Sthai Bhava, Sanchari Bhava, and Satvika Bhava. Sthai Bhava means permanent state, Sanchari Bhava is a transitory, and Satvika Bhava is internal emotions manifested. Sthai Bhava denotes the basic emotions or feelings that persist throughout the expression of the rasa and which is not affected by internal or external changes. There are totally 8 permanent moods in the Sthai Bhava. They are, I just mentioned in the PPT presentation, Rati, Hasa, Shoka, Krodha, Utsaha, Bhaya, Jigupsa, Vismaya. So all those things I mentioned in the PPT. Sanchari Bhava or Vyabhichari Bhava refers passing feelings or the fleeting sensations. In other words, the feelings that are brought forth by words and gesticulations. There are 33 transitory states. Satvika bhava, so sattva means state of a mental disposition or internal emotions originating from the mind. The physical involuntary expression that manifest themselves as a result of the intensity of emotion in mental plane are called sattvika bhava and or responsive emotions. There are 8 sattvika bhavas. So no dramatic identification proceeds without rasa. Rasa imports blissful joy with a combination of abhinaya and sthai bhava. There can be no rasa without bhava and no bhavas without rasa. Uddhata, the first commentator on the Natya Shastra, began to speak of rasas as 9 in number. Nandikeshwara mentions Shanta, that means peaceful, as the ninth rasa, and today dancers we all accept 9 rasas which are known as Navarasas. Hope it's worthy making a video as Theory of Bharatanatyam episode 5 because we did a very big topic, rasa and bhava. I covered almost a few major things in this episode. If you need more about this topic, you can go and ask me in the below description. We are giving you the contact details of us, and you can contact in different social medias with the links. Like, comment, share this video, and for more theory videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press bell icon for continuous updates. Thank you. Hari Om.